Hello and welcome in a new course. In this course, we will learn Python maths priorities. It's in the last video we learned Python maths, and now we learn Python maths priorities. Priorities. Now, x equal 5, y equal 9, and I equal 2, and k equal 9 plus sorry equal x plus y multiplied by I, and let's see the solution. Okay, it's 23. What is the first, the multiplied or plus? Let's see. Y is 9. 9 multiplied by 2 is 80. 18 plus 5 is 23. The priority is for the multiplication, and now k equals x divided by y and minus I. And let's see. Okay, minus 1.444. The priority is for the division, the division. And now let's see. K equal x multiplied by I minus y. What is the solution? Yes, it's 1. X multiplied by I. 5 multiplied by 2. 10. 10 minus 9 equal 1. And let's see. Always the first, always the first operation is division and multiplication, and the last operation is mine and plus. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video. Goodbye.